We approach to the junction to turn right.
Because of there is another car. If right side, when I turn right side, if someone is coming other side, if I can't reduce, maybe
Yes.
they hit the car.
And why we look on the right, like when we're turning right, why we look everywhere, the whole
Because it's
area.
pedestrian, a cyclist, motorcycle is anything about this, so that's why I check.
Yeah, that's perfectly good answer. So when we're turning right, why we look in the new road?
New road.
Yeah, like when we're turning right in the new road, why we look inside the new road?
Any pedestrian?
Yes. So if anyone's coming near our like pedestrian, cyclist, or people on motorbike and disability bikes, so anything. So we reduce our speed so we can slowly go, safely go and turn right. And we check again in new road, and we check in our center mirror for every turn, every new road, then we go ahead. So now you understand how we're gonna turn right safely. We need to put that in practice, okay?
Okay.
So let's go and we practice this. I'm gonna sort these in few seconds. Okay? Let's move off. Blind spot check again.
Yeah.
Good. Let's go ahead. End of the road, we are turning left. Speed is fine. When you see like two cars each side, reduce speed a bit in middle, okay? Like this,
Okay.
good. Creep forward so you can see properly. Look again now. Good, perfectly fine. Good turn. Keep going ahead, and at the crossroad we are turning left. Good. Routine okay. Signal on the time. We move forward perfectly fine. Keep looking on the right, ahead, left, everywhere. Look right, ahead, left, everywhere. Good. Good, good. Perfectly fine. Away from this car. I don't know why they parked the car here. Keep going ahead. And then end of the road, we are turning right, okay? Come more to my side. There's a car on your side. And remember how much distance we need to keep between you and the parked car. Distance.
1.5 meter? No.
No, it's like one door width.
One
1 meter. 1 meter, okay?
1 meter.
1 meter. 1 meter
Yeah.
is the perfectly fine distance. And why we keep like 1 meter distance? What's the reason?
If I open the door.
If they open the door, the person, that's good. So they are safe and our car is safe. Good, perfectly fine. Now follow the road ahead and end of the road, turn right.